Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned about properties of irrational numbers and the problems on the properties of irrational numbers. Now we are going to next problem, problem number 4. Multiply. See the question. Question number 4. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. This is the question. What's the question? Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. What is meant by reciprocal? Reciprocal means reverse of the number. Okay, if it is 1 by 2, nothing but 2 by 1. If it is 3 by 4, nothing but 4 by 3. That's all. Now let us come to solution. Okay. 2 by 11 into reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is minus 14 by 5. Okay, now multiply minus 2 into 14, 28 by 11 into 5, 55. Minus 11 by, so minus 28 by 55. This is the solution. Okay, next problem number 5. Problem number 5. Which properties can be used in computing? Which properties? Which properties can be used in computing 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. Here we can use which properties? Okay, solution. We have to write the name of the properties which are used in the given question. Okay, what is the given question? 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. Okay, here first which property used means first let's imagine this as A plus B. A plus B. Which property? Closure property according to addition. Closure with the addition. Okay, next second one. Here what we call one is called multiplicative identity. Second property you see here, multiplicative identity. Okay, and one more property I am using here. Looks like A into B into C. A into B into C. Which property? Nothing but associative property with the multiplication. Associative with the multiplication. Okay, next you can see one more property. What is that? What is the property? Inverse property. What is that? Inverse property. What is inverse? Here you can see 1 by 3 into 3. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Which property? Inverse property. Okay, A into 1 by A. That is called nothing but multiplicative inverse. multiplicative inverse. Okay, these are the properties used in the given problem. Okay, once I look here, this is called say as A plus B. A plus B. Closure property according to addition. Next, only you have seen one. One is a multiplicative identity. And next, it's like A into B into C. A into B into C. Associated with the multiplication. Next, 1 by 3 into 3. Nothing but a multiplicative inverse. Okay, this is the problem number 5. Next, let us go to problem number 6. Verify the following. Problem number 6 is verify the following. What we have to verify? Okay, let us see. Problem number 6. Verify the following. What you have to verify here? See the percent. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. Okay. Plus minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. You have to verify these two. First you have to verify LHS side. Next you have to verify RHS side. Okay. Solution. LHS part. LHS. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. Okay. What is it here? 5 by 4 plus into minus. You have to multiply symbols. First plus into minus, minus 1 by 2. Next plus into minus, minus 3 by 2. Next, first solve the box. Nothing but brackets. The LCM for 4 and 2 is 4. The LCM for 4 and 2 is 4. Now multiply in 4 table you got 4 ones are. That 1 should be multiplied this 5. 5 ones are 5 minus in 2 table where you got 4 2s are. So multiply 2 with this number. 2 ones are 2 minus 3 by 2. 5 minus 2 3. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Again LCM. The LCM for 4 and 2 same 4. Multiply 4 in 4 where you got it? 4 ones are. So 3 ones are 3. Again, in 2 table you got 4. 2s are. That 2 should be multiplied to 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 minus 6. Minus 3 by 4. This is LHS value got. Minus 3 by 4. Now let us come to RHS part. RHS. What do you have RHS? 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. Here 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. You can see two symbols, no? Plus into minus. Minus 3 by 2. Next 5 by 4 plus the LCM for 2 and 2. Nothing but 2. 2 is the LCM. In 2 table where you got 2? Ones are. 2 ones are 2. That 1 should be multiplied to 1. 1 ones are 1. Minus 1 minus in 2 table you got this 2 ones are. That 1 should be multiplied to 3. 3 ones are 3. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 4 by 2. Next plus into minus minus 4 by 2. Next continue. Okay, LCM for 4 and 2 is 4. Okay, now in 4 table here you have 4 ones are. 5 ones are 5 minus in 2 table here you got 4 2s are. 2 4s are 8. 5 minus 8 minus 3 by 4. In LHS you got minus 3 by 4. In RHS also you got minus 3 by 4. So LHS equal to RHS. Hmm? 10, 15. So, next, question number 7. What the question? Evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 after rearrangement. Okay, what is rearrangement means? First, given that 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3. Okay. Next, after rearranging, we have to make line fraction outside. Okay, 3 by 5, 7 by 5. 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3. Now first this part. That actually it is denominator same. So you can directly like this. 3 by 5. Okay, plus in the minus. Minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus in the minus. Minus 2 by 3. So here denominator is same. So you can subtract that numbers. 3 minus 2. 1 plus here denominator is same. 3. 7 minus 2. 5. Here now the denominators are different. 5 and 3. The LCM for 5 and 3 is 15. 3 5s are 15 is the LCM. In 5 table you got 15. 3s are. So 3 1s are 3 plus. In 3 table you got 15. 5s are. 5 5s are 25. Okay, next 3 plus 25, 28 by 15. This is the solution of the problem. Okay.